Welcome to eSIM.com. This is a step-by-step guide on how to purchase an eSIM card on our website. First, be sure you have a released and eSIM compatible device. Next, choose your country you will be needing data. Meet our prepaid mobile data plans. If available in your destination, you will find our single country options. Notice only one country is listed in the countries box. You will also find our multi-country options. If visiting more than one country, look in the countries box to match your itinerary. Last but not least are our monthly subscriptions, for those travelers that need connection for a longer period of time. You can unsubscribe anytime in the dashboard. Go on and select the plan that best suit your data needs. We are going for the prepaid USA 10 GB 30 days single country option. In the pre-checkout screen, review your selection and plan details. Next, fill in the form to prepare checkout for you. First, select a starting date for your data bundle. Next, provide a valid email address. The eSIM card installation QR code will be sent here. Please confirm it. Please be sure you have access to this email address, as you will need it to log into the members platform and unlock every feature. Optionally, you can add your travel buddies to the checkout. Keep in mind every device must be unlocked and eSIM compatible. Finally, review the details of your order. It's important you read our terms and conditions and privacy policy before checking the box and proceeding to checkout. The checkout page prompts to Stripe, a certified payment processor platform. Add your phone number and your card information. If you have a promo code, enter it on the left to enjoy your discount. Check the Agree to Terms of Service box. Finally, review that the email address or addresses and the activation date are correct before clicking on the Pay button. Congratulations, you have successfully purchased an eSIM data bundle. To install, please scan the QR code with your phone. You will also find the installation QR code in your email and in the dashboard. Enjoy your trip!